Welcome to Salem Witch Trials Daily. I'm Josh Hutchinson.
This is Sarah Jack. Today is Friday, April 29th, 1692. Inspectors have yet again tormented Susanna Sheldon for the sixth consecutive day.
Tonight, Susanna was reportedly visited by Bridget Bishop, Mary English, Giles Corey, and Martha Corey.
Martha allegedly offered the Devil's Book to Susanna, who asked her where she lived.
And the Martha Spector said she lived in Boston prison, and then she pulled out her breast, and the black man gave her a thing like a black pig.
The transcript continues. It had no hair on it, and she put it to her breast and gave it suck. And when it had sucked one breast, she put it on the other and gave it suck there.
Then she gave it to the black man. Then they went to prayer, and the black man and Bridget Bishop told Susanna that Bridget had killed 4 women. 2 of them were the Foster's wives, and one was John Trask's wife, and they did not name the other.
Then Susanna said, "Then they did all bite me," and went away.
In addition to Susanna Sheldon's report, there's activity at the Boston jail today that we need to talk about. Jailer John Arnold purchased 500 feet of wood boards, 4 locks, and 200 nails to mend the jail and the keeper's house. This cost £7, 5 shillings, and 9 pence, according to the bill that he submitted later on.
Thank you for joining us.
Be sure to like this episode and subscribe to the show wherever you get your podcasts. And check out our other podcasts, The Thing About the Salem Witch Trials and The Thing About Witch Hunts.